How to change your name on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Messenger application from your device and get logged into your Facebook Messenger account. From here, tap on three-bar icon on your left-hand side, then tap onto Settings. Under Account, you will see Account Settings. Tap onto it, then tap on Continue. Now, before changing your name for Messenger, please be noted that your Facebook and your Facebook Messenger account are same. So if you would like to change your name on Messenger, you have to go with your Facebook, meaning you have to change your Facebook name and then your Messenger name will be automatically changed. So let's go ahead and do that. Tap onto your menu page on your right-hand side, then expand the option of Settings and Privacy. From here, tap onto Settings. Then tap on See More in Accounts Center. Now at this page, tap onto Profiles. If you have connected your Instagram account with your Facebook, you will be able to see it right below. Let's go ahead and tap on Facebook for now, then tap on Name. Now you can go ahead and type in any name that you would like, but also be noted you cannot change it again for another 60 days. So make sure that you type in your name correctly. Once you do all that, you have to tap on Review Change. Now as you do so, tap on to Save Changes. And just like so, this is how you can change your Facebook Messenger name. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.